pulled up at BOTAJELL's house over here. It looks like Oreo's getting a bath. Let's go check this out. What's up, John?
What's going on, man?
Giving him a bath?
E-word, bro. I'm giving him back.
What's up, Oreo?
Right? Yeah, look at this thing. Huh? Yeah. You don't like this hot weather, what? Yeah. 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 It's gonna be the cleanest, laziest dog, bro. He hates engines, man. Oh.
All right, John. So I got another box here at my house.
Gary, you hooked me up, bro. You hooked me up. This is like number 3 engine you got for me, right?
Yeah.
3 or 2?
Let's not say that. Let's just not count.
No, bro. Bro, I couldn't have done it without you. Oh, I got some, got those.
That's the stuff I got from
yeah. Yeah, cool, bro.
Put it in there.
So we got ourselves a new engine here.
Tell this came from a serious legend. Yes, guy. Look at the
we gotta
box.
go. We gotta go downstairs, bro. This is serious gas Braapp guy over here, bro.
Any questions?
Any questions, kid?
All right, let's open it.
It's here. We got another engine here, right? As you can see, we're busy here. Doing some wrenching.
Sneak peek.
Little sneak peek here. I got a lot of busy shit, bro. Look at this. Yeah. Why do you think I washed Oreo, bro? Because I'm gonna have to probably sleep with his ass for another week. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so let's see what we got here. Was it from the man himself, Mr. Chris Bartolone?
Yep.
All right, Zanica DDM. Shout out to DDM. We got some flywheel nuts. Oh, you gotta have them in stock. You know what I forgot? I need to get the coil gap tool gauge.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see a pipe too. We got an exhaust system here. All right, Zanica Fairs. Cool. So let's start over here first. Oh, we got some pipe hardware. All right. Nice as a Noah gasket, I see. Lock washers. Nice bolts.
Yeah, I put those in the Ziploc because you put them in 2 in 1 bag.
Gotcha.
So I cut it open.
Oh, Zah. You know, I've been thinking about this pipe. I was going to get it. And now I got it. Zah. Now I got it. Very nice. All right, so I may ceramic coat it. Yes, sir.
I hear it's better performance stuff like this. I don't know if that's true or not, but
Ceramic coated. We used to ceramic coat our headers.
yeah.
Our race cars, real race cars. Right, keeps the heat in here. You have a better explosion, better performance. But you know, it could cost some money to do it. Maybe and probably what are you gonna gain? Like a tenth, whatever. But
Yeah.
you gain performance by ceramic coating, not powder coating. Ceramic coating or header wrap. You can wrap the header, but I'm gonna ceramic coat. We do things like gentlemen now. I'm done with the raggedy way, bro. This is more than a hobby now, bro. So here we go. This is this is a nice pipe, bro. Bartolone did a beautiful job. I'm gonna keep it in the back for now. I'm a big fan of Chris Bartolone. I've had many stuff from many pipes. Forget it. Many pipes. The Bartolone pipes I've had.
He was a great guy to talk to on the phone too.
Yeah, really? Yeah,
Very great
it's
guy.
hard to get in touch with him, bro.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah.
He reached out to me after I got back to him, and he communicated the whole way. So
All right. Oh, we got a nice Zanica Fez there. All right, so what we got here? Oh, Zach. Haha, it's happy to see me, kid. It's happy. Zach, look at that. Huh? I just need to, I gotta put a nice velocity stack. I'm gonna give Bartolone. Bartolone's got a new velocity stock coming out. Right, sorry, it's hot. It's hot over here, probably dripping. Bartolone's got a new velocity stock coming out that I will be putting here once it's out. So we will be waiting for it. I will not run this engine until I get that velocity stack. All right, so Yeah, man, look at that.
He cut the clutches for us.
All right. I see how he grinded here. So I guess he took some weight off of it. So what that does is you need a higher RPM to, first of all, you'll lighten it up, and you're gonna need more RPM to spin it. So this 8,000 spring now is gonna probably be like an 8,500 spring. Understand? Now that's the whole reason of that. That's pretty cool. All right. Very cool. See how he did up there. Did a nice job with that. All right, look at that. Oh yeah, beautiful. I wanted this crankcase. I was gonna build an engine off this crankcase, but now I got the whole motor. I got it.
Yep.
I've been thinking about this over a year, and look, I got it.
When I saw him build one for Kraken, I
Look
wanted
at
that.
Look
And
at
I spoke to him. He goes, "Oh, I can build that for you."
I love these little engines, man. I love. This is what it's all about, bro. All right, so look at this. Huh? A nice Reed there. Got a nice
Modified 990.
modified 990.
I'm told it has a special spring on it.
Cool. All right, I'm gonna need that. All right, I may even try this. I may take the rooster tail out of that, because I think the rooster tail 990 is too much for this Gizmo 30.5 drag mod there. All right, so I may take it out of there. So I'll either put a stock 990 there, or maybe the 813. The freaking Primal RC Dragster comes with a G290 stock, but with a nice carburetor.
Yeah.
I may try that freaking carburetor on here. All right, so
All right.
got it, bro. All right, look at that bottom dead center. Look at that exhaust part there.
It's there.
I need a light.
There it is.
All right, plus over here you can see. And that's it, man. All right, very cool. Very nice. Now this is built for us for what? I wanted to try this out on my X2.
Built for drag racing, but we changed the clutches on it, and we should be good. I'll check with Chris to make sure.
All right, yeah, find out if it's has a different piston recommended for the drag racing thing. Then I'll just keep it for drag racing. You may see this on my Drag Baja next. You may see this on my Primal RC Dragster next, or I may put this right on my. I want to take my scope out and use that on something else, and probably break it in and all that on the X2. But we'll see. All right. Cool. So, thank you, Gary.
Not a problem.
Now I can throw this box out. My wife will have no idea about this.
Nope.
It's good. I can mix it. Look.
Looks like a regular Zanella.
My SCZ engine there, bro. Look at it. This is no good. I can't hide this shit. Look at this. Zanica Fezza. Huh? Zanica Fezza. Look at this one, bro. Look at this ReedCase, kid. Alright? These little engines are no joke too, bro. I seen this engine at the track. Alright, so look at it. So yeah. You can't tell, right?
Nope.
Can't tell. Can't tell.
Nothing new here today, except
No.
for this thing right over there.
Nothing new. I could even have this side here, like this. I'll put this right over here. She won't even tell, bro. She won't even tell. She won't tell. But today still, if I put this son of a bitch here, she still talks shit about it because it looks better than her wedding ring, bro. Look at this thing, bro. This thing is super Zanica fair right here, bro. Bro, what are you gonna do? Look at that. Chris Bartolone, kid. All right, here's a better close-up. A little better close-up and a little calmer. It's now another day. I didn't have coffee today, so I'm a little calmer. All right. Very nice. Very nice welds. I like this header. Very nice. Reminds me of the Nitro headers. All right, my favorite Nitro header is a conical, though. I wonder Bartolone someday can make a nice conical header for us. That would be nice. All right, man. I'm still gonna build a. I wanted to do my own engine with this crankcase, but I got the whole engine from Bartolone anyway, so. But yeah, I wanted to do like a mix. This is a beautiful crankcase. Very nice ReedCase. Alright, just closer look up at my new engine. It's nice and lubricated. I didn't even put 3-in-1 here or any oil at all. There's no need. Alright. I don't know if it has a... No, it don't look like a Lightning flywheel. That's something I always could do later on. Probably, you know, for drag racing, that would be great. Yeah. We got ourselves here a Bartolone 990 modified, right? With a different spring. So it keeps dumping fuel on the top end. Right? I love 990s. Just a little bit easier to... I don't have time for headaches. But I don't know what else Bartolone did to this 990. But I would like to try my Roostertail 990 here. See in the future sometime. Alright, I won't be doing any outerwears on this because I may run this for drag Baja. If I do try this out, I'm gonna still find out from Bartolone. Alright, Gary's gonna find out for me if I could bash with this engine. Alright, I don't know what type of modification he did here. Hopefully it's just changing this clutch here, putting a regular clutch or an FS clutch or whatever clutch and throw her in a bash car setup, you know? I can give it a try. If it's ported or made specifically for a drag Baja, or, you know, car, I may try it out on my my dragster, my Primal RC dragster, or my drag Baja. All right, I'm gonna take this whole diff out. All right, stay tuned for that. I may show this, I may not. I gotta take the. Thank God this King motor is a 2-piece diff. I also have the Toro Racing setup, but everything came like this. So it came with outdrives, gears. You know, just set it and forget it. I'm just happy that it's a 2-piece. Now I can get to my diff out because now I gotta change these outdrives. I'm not gonna change the outdrives. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use these tubes. All right, I'll bring this up in another video. Just a closer look up. See how I do work, man. I put in work. I don't mess around. I don't cry about things, and I got lots of work to do. I'm in this, man. No joke. Look at that. FG shocks. Ooh, what's that for? It's a little quickie look. Little update there. So stay tuned, man. I got lots of stuff going on, so. All right. And that's it. So I'll have to finish this up. Move on. I think I'm gonna ceramic coat this, definitely. All right. You gain a little bit more power by ceramic coating. Plus, you keep engine temps down. This won't make that much of a difference because this pipe is sticking out of a Baja, you know, so it's not going to be that big of a difference. But all I would have to do to gain some sort of power is probably header wrap it. You want to header wrap it to here, you know, and that would help. That would give you that benefit, you know. But I'm just going to ceramic coat everything. You know, it'll have a nice finish. All right, let me show you. I have a pipe already ceramic coated. I have a few. I got a Chris Bartolone pipe for my MTXL out in the garage that you guys know about. And I also have a Victory pipe here. All right, here's my Victory pipe that I used to use on my Low C5T when I used to race. And my Low C5T, I have a chrome Bartolone pipe on there. Right? You guys know that. You can go back and check it out. But when I used to race, when the track setups used to have the straightaways that were longer, that you would need more top speed, and that's where I would try to get more RPMs out of my engine. I would run this pipe here. But anyway, here's just a look. Here's a look at the finish. All right, it's already like 2 years old. That's very nice. All right, you have a less chance of burning your hands by ceramic coating. Powder coating is stronger than this. All right, we'll take a beating more, but ceramic coat just keeps the heat all up in here. All right, this drag racing thing is super cool, super great people there, man, unbelievable. I wish I can take all you guys, man. I wish I can bring all of you, and let's just go hang out a full day in Brooklyn, Floyd Bennett Field. Even E-word guys, I wish I can bring you guys with me, because we would all have a great time, man. Let me tell you something. We would all have a great time there. All right. And there are some of you that will show up and meet up with us. So I know there's a few people from Connecticut that are going to be coming down next race we have. People from Philadelphia coming back. People from St. Louis, Missouri coming back. Yo, it's going to be nice. It's going to be great. All right, I'll keep you posted with the dates. With that, as soon as I get a date. And the rest, stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming, man.